Rich people won't tell you these 8 unhealthy foods that should never be in your kitchen. 1. Processed meats, full of preservatives and saturated fat. 2. Sugary stuff, candy, soda, and desserts are high in empty calories. 3. Refined grains, low in fiber and cause sugar spikes. 4. Potato chips, high in salt, fat, and artificial additives. 5. Fast food, often fried and packed with harmful fats. 6. Red meat, excessive, increases risk of chronic diseases. 7. Margarine and shortening, loaded with trans fats. 8. Sugary cereals, highly processed with artificial ingredients. If you want a long and healthy life, then subscribe.